Hi guys, and welcome back to my insane DIY affordable laundry room makeover. This change was super easy, affordable, and I hope it gives you inspiration to make your laundry room space a place you love. So first off, I'm going to remove everything from the top wire shelf, and I'm going to be making my own wooden falsie board shelf, and I'm going to leave the link below that I followed to create this. Now looking back, the best tip I could give is to use an X-Acto knife when cutting the foam board. It would just make it a lot easier and save you a lot of time. You want to make this part as even as possible. You can clean it up after you apply it to the wire shelf to make it easier, but using an X-Acto knife really helped. Next, I'm going to be using some peel and stick removable adhesive paper. This is going to be in a wood cutout pattern, and I love this because it gives the effect of having a wood shelf when I'm renting my home and I don't have to worry about renter damages or anything like that. So this is super renter friendly, super affordable, and literally if I can do it, you guys, so can you. Next, I want to show you the rug I went with. So I found this rug at Walmart and it was so adorable for what I'm going for. It matches the wallpaper peel and stick that I'm also going to be using. I found this off Amazon and it was just so adorable. It's peonies, it's a floral, it's just everything that I love. So I'm going to be putting this on the top of the wall. I know some people do like the full wall, but for me, this is just the easiest that I could do. And I want to make it clear that it's super easy if you just start from one side and you kind of work the paper down, kind of let it do its thing instead of forcing it. It kind of works a little bit better, but as you're doing it, you'll get in the rhythm of everything. I made the mistake of not measuring out my laundry room before I ordered this wallpaper peel and stick, so I actually didn't have enough and I had to wait till today, and that's why this video is up a little bit later than my normal schedule, but for the most part I continue the video and then you'll see the ending of it completed. Walmart had these really cute baskets for around $7 and they were just so cute. I picked up 2 of them and I figured my dryer sheets could go in here as well as some other products that I use in the laundry room, and I just thought it would give it a really cute effect. So that's why I picked these 2. In prior videos, I had my laundry detergent in a mason jar pour out and it didn't work out, so I'm going to try this laundry service for my OxiClean, and I feel like this was just so cute. I could not pass up this. This is at Walmart as well. It comes with a little scoop. This is by far so cute. If you are looking for something adorable for your laundry room, pick this one up. It goes with any theme that you're looking for. I'm going to be adding a plant that I already had and a couple signs that I already had. I really wanted to buy this really pretty plant, but I just couldn't bring myself to do it. So I'm just going to use what I have and be more reasonable than not. So I'm just going to be vacuuming, and I'm going to keep the rug that I had and just use it as underneath to make it comfy, and adding the mat on top of it. So this is the before, and you guys, this is the after. I hope you love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to do your laundry makeover. It doesn't need to be super expensive. It can be affordable and frugal and still be a nice place.